Nice shot, dumbass.
For today's sponsor we have GVGmall, where you can acquire your Windows 10 Home serial key for only $16, and using my SKEG discount code will get you 20% off, making it only $11. After the payment you'll receive the key in your account, and after getting it you simply need to introduce it in your Windows settings and BAM! You have an activated system. Hello guys, this is Gameplays. I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a new unboxing of a new RX 6600 XT. So both were sent by AMD, so thanks AMD for sending the cards. But AMD actually want to get back the XFX version, so they sent back this new one, which is a PowerColor Red Devil version. And I think it is pretty good, so I decided to do an unboxing for you to see how it looks. And after the unboxing, I will also connect the card for you to see how it looks inside your PC with the lights on and so on, so on, so on. Basically that's it. I mean, why not do an unboxing for people that are actually trying to buy this card, for people that actually want to know if the card is good or not, if the card looks good, because if you want to see if the card is good, you have this video passing right now on the screen. But yeah, basically just for you guys to see how the card looks in terms of aesthetics, off and on. So, not much more to say, let's go! So guys, here we are now with the PowerColor Red Devil RX 6600 XT. So, in the front we actually have the normal PowerColor symbol. Okay, the Red Devil symbol actually, this is not the PowerColor one, the Red Devil symbol. Okay, the RX 6600 XT. Then we have 1080p Full HD gaming, 8GB memory and PCI Express, PCI Express 4.0, okay? So yeah, basically that's it. On the sides, we have the Red Devil symbol, Red Devil, PowerColor 6600 XT, nothing astonishing. The same on the other side, okay? Once again, nothing really different from the other things. As for the back, we have the key features, as you can see here. The key features, so RDNA 2, DirectX 12, Ultimate, 7nm GPU, GDDR6, PCI Express 4, DisplayPort, blah blah blah, basically all the features that you have in the card. And then you have how the Red Devil cooler is actually made. So we have the back plate, we also have dual BIOS, which is fine, pretty fine. Dual fan, instead of 3 fans like the XFX version, we have only 2 fans, but I suspect the fans are actually bigger. These ones are 100mm, I think that the other ones are 80, but I'm not sure, okay? Then we have the RGB zone, so this has RGB compared to the QICK, I think it's QICK 308 from XFX and so on. So here, copper based direct touch and the display part. So let's open this little guy. You are one of us now. Nice, it's a nice touch. And here on the side, Devil Club, blah blah blah, invitation code. Pretty nice. So if you actually have the Red Devil card, you can actually join the club with this card. Pretty nice. Now, we have also the PowerColor card. PowerColor Quick Installation Guide. So basically the installation guide is here in a card and with a QR code in the back, which is interesting. Then we have this. Let me just show you this. So we have the Red Devil sticker. Also nice, interesting. And then we have this, let me see, what is this? So, show us your rig, upload your best computer pictures featuring your Devil card, okay? And win prizes, so you can actually win prizes if your build is pretty damn great. Nice, very nice. AMD, PowerColor, Red Devil, nice. Now, as for the box, let's start with this. Let's take off the foam. And inside the foam you actually have here the cables. I assume they are cables, yes, the cables, and it is the RGB cable. So basically, yes, if you want to connect and change the RGB on your card, you have here the RGB cables that come inside the foam. As for the card, let me just take it off, and damn, the card is heavy. The card is heavy. It's heavier than the XFX, that's for sure. Oh, giving me a hard time. Yep, and like I was telling you, the fans are definitely bigger. The fans are definitely bigger than the XFX version, and the same applies to the cooler. This cooler is monstrous compared to the XFX version. The cooler is just bigger. It's just bigger, and the card feels heavy. It is heavy and looks so good. The card looks very nice. With here the Red Devil symbol. We have an open back of the die instead of having it actually covered, which is better for temperatures. Great, and we also have colors here. So it's RGB here and here. Damn, this looks nice. As for the other side, we have here once again the cooler, and I think we have dual BIOS, at least it said there. Okay, dual BIOS here. So dual BIOS, OC, and silent. So you can switch it here, just one side or the other, and you switch it on and off. Okay. So basically that's it. The card looks really good. It feels great. The back plate is actually metal. It is not plastic. Not even good plastic. It's metal. I think it's aluminum. So yeah, it feels really great. And the same applies to this, to the front part. This is plastic, but it is good plastic, I think. Let me just... Yeah, it feels plastic. This is like plastic. Yeah, the front is plastic. So we have, I think we have RGB here also. So we have RGB here on the back and here in the front. That's pretty crazy, pretty nice. As for the power connectors, we have two. We have one 8 and two 6. So 2 times PCI connectors, one with 8 pins and the other one with 6 pins. Okay, that's, I mean, the card is really nice. So it should have like that plastic thing, but AMD sent me this card to actually exchange with the other card. So I guess this card is already used, so I'm not the first owner like I was with the XFX. But I assume it will be good. And I mean, the card is overall a better model because this is a higher end model. For example, like the Mercs on the XFX side and so on, while the previous one was a lower end model. So for me, it is great. Now, as for the connections, we have one display port, 2 display ports, one HDMI, 3 display ports. Basically, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Also, this metal, it's not a back plate, but this metal is black instead of the standard gray, the aluminum gray. So it looks pretty great in black. It's just a small touch, but it looks pretty great. Okay, so basically we have 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, we have RGB, we have a massive cooler and a massive heatsink, we have only 2 fans, but the fans are also pretty great. Let's just compare it a bit with the XFX. So as you can see, the cards are really different. Let's just put them on another perspective. Okay, so as you can see, this one has way bigger fans than the XFX one, but the XFX one has 3 fans instead of 2 fans. Still, and I repeat, still, I think that having only two fans but bigger is quite better than having 3 smaller fans. In terms of acoustics, of course. Let's just adjust the camera a bit. Okay, like this. So this, of course, like I said, in terms of acoustics only, okay? Because in terms of aspects, it depends on what you actually want. But for me, in terms of overall, I prefer the bigger ones, okay? But as you can see on the side, yeah, basically 8 pins, 6 pins, basically not black, gray, dark gray. Here it is completely black, yeah, and only 8 pins. Also has dual bias here. On the Red Devil, the dual bias is on the left side instead of the right side, okay? But still, as for the front part, I like the Red Devil one, but the detail on the XFX one saying Radeon is really cool. That's just my opinion. As for the backplate, once again, it says like QICK or QICK XFX, and although we have a hole here, we don't actually have the hole where it should be, which is here, basically on the upper part of the die, like we have here. So we don't have any holes here, we have them here, okay? We have just smaller holes, but we have a hole for the die for better temperatures. So let's just connect the Red Devil and see how it looks since it has RGB. So this is how the card actually looks normally, but you have the software where you can control and put it on RGB. For example, we have the breathing option, as you can see. We have the neon, which is RGB, I suppose. Yeah, kind of. It will change colors. Interesting. Then we have the blink. We have the double blink. We have the color shift, where we can select the speed also. We have the meteor. And basically we have hardware monitors, 7 colors. We have many different things. I don't think it has a proper RGB cycle. I don't actually think. But yeah, it is better than nothing. We have the single colors, we have the neon, where we can actually change through several colors, but it is what it is. Basically, we can also select the brightness and put lower brightness. Okay, and yeah, it is what it is. So guys, if you reach this part, a big thank you for watching the video or the most of it. So once again, thanks a lot. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe and share this video because that really helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next one, which will be wide versus ultra wide. Finally, some more tests. See you in the next video.